Alright, here we go to close out another Philadelphia site. Just a small little 9U rack, and of course with every job we leave a seating chart. So just a 9U right there, that's the Comcast modem. They have interesting. So as always, we have the jacks in there. We plated everything. Just going to take a quick sight for David, our client. And there's 5, 6, 7, 8. And they might want to talk about there's a door in this office. So, just doing a site survey. This is the reception area. Just keep in mind that we put it in the middle. They obviously haven't finished it. And there is no half wall as a blueprints. Right, Dwight?
Correct.
And then you can see, David, we just blanked everything, and they're still basically doing the different construction. So once again, another site that Bridge Cable has accomplished above and beyond the deadlines. Thanks for watching.